Welcome to this guide on creating a new SMS campaign. We'll walk you through the steps to set up and manage your SMS campaigns effectively, ensuring you reach your audience with the right message at the right time. To begin, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on SMS, then scroll down to the SMS campaign options. Next, click on Add New SMS Campaign in the Campaigns tab. This will allow you to initiate a new campaign. Enter a unique name for your campaign in the name field to easily identify it later. Proceed to the Scheduling section to specify when your SMS should be sent. This ensures your message reaches your audience at the optimal time for engagement and response. In the SMS template section, select the appropriate template name from the drop-down menu to ensure the correct template is used for your campaign. After setting up the schedule and template, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once completed, click Save to finalize and store your SMS campaign settings. With these steps, your SMS campaign is now ready to go live. Monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize engagement and achieve your marketing goals.